So I'm back at it again with another service request. This is Fetch a Wrench with, this service request is unique because this is a Cadillac DeVille limousine, and I got a water pump to replace today. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I'd never imagined getting a request on a limousine, but I'm excited to get this water pump replaced for this customer. She does a ride service, and she picked this limo up for very cheap with very low miles. It currently has 46 or 47,000 miles, but we got a water pump leak, so we're gonna get that replaced, and I'm just now tearing into it. But yeah, really cool. It's neat doing this job and meeting all kinds of people with different stories and different jobs. So excited to get this limo back on the road so she can use it for her business. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Thanks, bye.